TSN is an emerging technology as an IEEE specification. It means that TSN will be available everywhere in the enterprise as it rolls out into the mainstream. What we've done here at TenAsys, we've implemented the TSN stack into our real-time operating system to be able to make it an easier way for customers' applications to be able to make use of these services without having to do all the sophisticated configuration and control that's needed in order to participate as priority classes on a converged network. The significance of the TSN network is in the ability to handle multiple classes of communications where prioritized traffic can override the general information technology traffic. This means for converged applications that real-time operating systems and the applications that they can support can share the network with general purpose Ethernet traffic in the enterprise. So the use of TSN will have a major impact on how people will evolve their industrial distribution of applications, as well as do more workload consolidation to enable a more flexible workplace. This means that where a dedicated controller had been done in the past, now you can virtualize the application and run it on the edge, being able to do more work with less machines.